What is going on today, guys? Like I promised, I'm out here really early, as you can see by the sun coming in behind me. I am going to be unwrapping my car, cleaning off some of the trim and stuff, and then we're going to be ceramic coating it today. So, let's go. First off, if you didn't watch the previous two videos, on the last one, I compounded and polished it, and on the first one, I actually washed it. So if you want to go check those out, go watch them. But anyway, let's get into it.
So if you can see that little line right here, that's polish residue that's gone over. That's fine because I'm going to be wiping the car with Adam's Polish's surface prep to get all of the residue that I missed off before I actually ceramic.
So they say the key to a good ceramic job is in the preparation. These fenders, being plastic, hold on to this residue a lot better than any spots on the paint or on the taillights. So I have tire and rubber cleaner, which works on this because this is a rubber-based plastic. It's a bit more soft. So instead, I'm not going to spray it directly on because I'll get overspray onto the paint. Take 2 shots into here. Just work it. Let it foam up a tiny bit. Pull it back so it doesn't get on the paint. And as you can see, as it dries naturally, all of that comes right off. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to every surface because there's also a couple surfaces that just have dirt on them because this is going to be ceramic coated too. There you go. Much cleaner. Okay, so I have fully washed off all the vinyl, including the stuff under the mirror. I didn't get extra polish on that. That was just something that was already dirty that I knew I had to take care of. So I'm done with that. I have to go off to breakfast, so when I get back, we're going to be re-clay barring the windows because I missed a couple spots, and then beginning the ceramic process. So let's get to that. Okay, I am back from breakfast. Apologies for my outfit. I'm currently also packing for college while doing this, and these are all the clothes I have clean. I'm going to clay bar the windows. I already did this, but there are a couple spots here where I have extra clay on the windows and a couple spots up here where I have excess polish. So, the best way to get rid of that I've seen is if you take Adam's glass cleaner, Works as a great lubricant. You just take one of those scrubbing glass towels, wipe it right off. Okay, I've got the windows prepped. I think we're ready for ceramic. So I've got 2 Atom single soft polishing towels and the ceramic applicator. Put those there. Obviously, never open. I'm going to open one right now. Put it there. The second one, I'm going to keep in hand. Make sure my pocket's open. I want to have this in the pocket for easy access, because that's what they say. Atom's surface prep is first off. So for surface prep, you work up a bit of pressure. This is basically a pre-coating that completely clears everything off of the surface, which is good because we currently have 3 wildfires burning in Colorado. 4, actually. And so there's a bunch of ash, even though I'm in a sealed garage. Put the wiper blades up so that I can ceramic the window easy. There's a hand sanitizer. Okay, I think I've got the hood ready. So Adam says for the ceramic spray coating, it's about 4 shots on this, and then you just put it on. So 4 on here. Headlight should turn rainbow in color. Yep. And then as the rainbow de-intensifies, that's the word I'm going to use. As the rainbow loses some of its intensity, that's where you to buff it off. So it looks like it's actually happening fairly quick. Wow. Okay. Put that in my pocket. That just buffs right off. Wow. Yeah, like that takes no effort to take off at all. Yeah, the light shows the rainbow a lot better. Apologize for my neighbor weed eating in the background. I have no control over people. Okay, apparently my sister's home. I'm actually finding this a lot more difficult than I thought because I can't see the rainbowing effect that's supposed to happen with this. Okay, they're gone. As I was saying, I'm finding this more difficult than I thought because I can't see the rainbowing effect that's supposed to happen to indicate. Oh, I just saw it as I wiped over it. indicate that this is actually setting. So I have no clue if I'm actually putting on too much, not enough, if I'm buffing it before it's time to cure, if I'm waiting too long, and yeah. Basically it's a shot in the dark, and I'm just every 2 minutes or so wiping. Okay, so right now we are using the UV tracer in the light, or in the coating, to basically tell where I have coated and where I haven't. So I knew right here I hadn't coated very well, so we're using the UV tracer to recoat, and I just reapplied. You can kind of see sections like that where it double coated versus a single coat. I think it's been about 2 minutes, so I can wipe this off now. You can see how much of it is just coming right off. Just check the stripes, because I was getting overshoot onto the stripes. So I want to make sure I'm getting them all the way off, because the stripes will just hold anything and show it. So there you can see a great example of a section I missed. So where did I put the cup leader? Spray. Wipe. Okay, the final thing I'm going to do is the wheels, because my wheels like to accumulate brake dust, and it's literally the exact same thing I've been doing on the paint, except for on the wheels. Should I set this to purple? Just light. Have a color mode. Well, it shows me where I haven't coated at least. Definitely doesn't do what the black light does, but why set that to white? Oh, yeah, it's the exact same thing. The blue splash across again, please. Thank you. Get out of the way. Okay, the coating has flashed on. Off, and it didn't stay as shiny as I'd hoped. Trying to keep the towel from dragging on the ground is surprisingly difficult. Still stays shiny. I think I'm in need of like a full wheel correction, especially since I have clear coat chipping off. So going between a coated wheel and an uncoated wheel, there's a noticeable difference in terms of how dark it actually is. Okay, tire number 2. I'm also going to redo this fender because I'm noticing a bunch of dry spots. Yeah, I wish I could get this like wet look that the ceramic coating gives on the wheel permanently, but my wheels are just too scuffed. And I don't mean scuffed as in like the trend everybody has been saying where, oh, this is a scuffed Minecraft and things like that. I mean, it's literally scuffed wheels. So the good thing with this coating is that it's designed to be easy to apply and easy if you mess up. Because I just noticed a spot back here where I left a high spot, and literally I just wiped and immediately wiped it off, and it came right off. Oh my, there we go. I have fully ceramic coated my car. That took a long time to get this thing spec'd in. There's only one final step, 2 final steps. One of them I'm not doing right now because I don't want to touch any of it. Tire shine and clean the inside of the windows because shining the light through those, they're disgusting. Tire shine, I'm going to do in a little bit. Windows, I'll do once the ceramic has dried this evening. Yeah. Before I finish up the car, It'd be nice to clean. Because I keep stepping in all these and it's making me frustrated. It was fun to just tear them off and throw them on the ground because keeping up the car was so frustrating, but yeah. Clean up. So Adam's Tire Shine is a no sling solution, which is great. I've never actually tried it on my car. I've only ever done it on my dad's car because I just got this bottle. Because I ran out of my preferred stuff and I figured I'd try something new. My preferred stuff being McGuire's Hot Shot, I believe. I don't know if that's McGuire's or not. It's Hot Shot. That's my preferred stuff. But I've seen the way this is held up on my dad's car outside, so I figured it might be worth it. And the final thing I gotta do is the inside of the windows. Because the outside of the windows are clean from the ceramic coating. The inside is not. Was not. Will be not. Yep, that's clean. Okay, y'all see this streaking on the inside of my windshield? Right there, up there, some down there, ooh, a lot right there. That's the whole reason why I bought Adam's glass cleaner. Literally the entire reason was the streaking on the inside of my windshield that I couldn't deal with from my other cleaner wouldn't get it. So, here we go. Final step for me to call this complete. Putting the plate back on. This is stressful because I don't want to scratch the paint. There we go. Appreciate that. There we go. That's done. That is completed. That is the detail done. There we go. That is my mini, fully corrected, polished, ceramic coated, tire shine, windows clean, everything. This is the longest time I've ever spent on a detail, and I'm really hoping that I actually did the ceramic right. So, I'll have an update video soon. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I really appreciate it, especially with how long I spent on this, especially considering it's been 95 in the garage for the past 3 days while I've been doing this. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys subscribe. So, do that. And until next time, goodbye.